viewers, again welcome. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. So in this video we are going to show you that let's have a look at amazing and beautiful design. So viewers, in this video we're gonna show you that amazing creation and you can make it at home very easily, and crafting ideas are very amazing. So in this video we are share something amazing, beautiful, natural, eco-friendly rustic charm with made of jute or twine, burlap, scraps, cardboard, cone or bottle base. Very interesting ideas are here. So hope you enjoying these all designs and ideas. So welcome again, and where imagination meets mindfulness and every creations tell a story. Today we bring some trees, crafts, beautiful handmade trees ideas that are unique, budget friendly and filled with festive joy. Whether you love rustic charm, sparkling glamour and eco-friendly creativity, these X-Max trees will brighten your home and your heart. So get your accessories, glue and your favorite cup of cocoa because magic is about to begin. So you can make some beautiful trees and add the touch of beautiful crafts. Add some fairy lights for the charming look. So in this video, whether you like rustic texture, glittery glamour, eco-friendly creativity, each aspects tree we make today we will shine with beauty and warmth. So plug in your fairy lights, take a deep breath and let's begin crafting joy this X-Max. Our first design is a rustic jute and burlap X-Max tree. Today simple, earthy and naturally elegant. A cardboard cone, jute or burlap fabric grew small pine cones, wooden stars and of course a string of warm fairy lights. So the mixture of multiple things you can make very beautiful. You can create very beautiful tree. It is the beautiful things of your home. Start by wrapping your cone with jute rope in smooth layer or a pipe cleaner you can touch. Add pieces of burlap around it to create a rustic texture. Once wrapped, gently wave to your fairy lights around the tree from bottom to top, letting the soft light glow through the jute. Now decorate with pine cones, buttons or mini wooden ornaments. When the lights twinkle through the natural fabric, it creates a charm warm farmhouse magic, perfect for a cozy corner because bedside table. Eco-friendly and mindful warm fairy glow adds calmness, beautiful handmade rustic decor. Next is our shining star, the Dollar Tree Glam X-Mix tree. This one is perfect for everyone who loves sparkle and glitter. A foam cone, tinsels, garlands, mini ornaments, glitter ribbon and bright fairy lights, all available at the Dollar Tree. Start wrapping your cone with the tinsel garland until it's fully covered. Add your ornaments, ribbons and bows for that festive pop. Then carefully wrap a string of white or multicolor fairy lights around the tree, gently tucking them between the tinsel. When the lights come on, your tree glows like a little festival for joy. It's so pretty that no one will believe it cost under Dollar Tree. Under $3. Benefits: budget friendly, fast and beginner friendly. Fairy lights make it sparkle day and night. You can even make 3 or 4 of these trees in different colors and place them in a line. They will make a gorgeous glowing centerpiece. Now let's create something meaningful. The recycled bottles X-Max tree, a true eco masterpiece. You will need plastic bottles, either green paint or tape, glue, decorative beads, and a long string of LED fairy lights. Cut the bottles bottom in layers of different sizes, then stack them from largest to smallest. Paint them green or wrap them with shiny tape for a modern look. Now the magic step, place fairy lights inside the hollow bottles before staking them. The light will glow through the transparent plastic, creating a mesmerizing crystal effect. Add ribbons or beads to decorate the outer layer and finish with the glowing stars on top. This tree isn't just beautiful, it's a message of creativity and care for our planet. Reuses plastic waste. Fairy lights turn it into glowing art, great for family or school projects. And there you have it, 3 unique X-Max tree crafts from our X-Max collection. The rustic jute tree, the dollar tree, glam tree, and the recycled bottle tree, all beautifully glowing with